Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be doing this fun little makeup look today. Oh my gosh, it's been a hot minute since I've been on my YouTube. What's up, YouTube fam? I'm on the Sephora squad, and I've been on the Sephora squad since like March. So that's like some really fun, exciting news. So dun, da, 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 this video is brought to you by Sephora. I'm really excited to show you this makeup look. We're gonna do a little like, well, I don't want to give away any details. I can't get over these lips. These lips are just amazing. All right. I just gotta put my hair up real quick. So first I'm going in with the Rare Beauty Illuminating Primer, just to give my face a little glow. Look at the glow, that's a nice glow. Next I'm going with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I have just been so stressed, you can totally see it in my eyes, like they have darkened. They've darkened, it's a new thing, I don't like it, and I've also got all this acne, so this stuff just like, you'll see. All right, ready, are you ready, are you ready? Isn't that nice? Okay, let's just do the whole face. Oh, look at my eyes, they're literally purple. Yo, I gotta meditate or something. Okay, for concealer, this is like the Power Duo, the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Just gonna go in like that. And I'm just gonna dab it first where I need it. Oh my god, like so much, oh my gosh, so much in there. Then I actually use this as like an eyeshadow base as well. Oh my gosh, I look alive and happy and well rested. Next I'm using the Laurent Mercier Transition Setting Powder. Are we surprised? This stuff is so good. But what I'm gonna do is put it under my eyes, kind of like on the side of my nose to make it look smaller, and then under my cheekbones and on my eyelids to prep for the eyeshadow. See, I kind of use it to like pretend my nose is tiny. Honestly though, like I like my nose, but I feel like I don't like my nose when I'm wearing makeup. I like my nose fine when I'm not wearing makeup and when I'm not taking selfies on my phone, because that just like totally accentuates it. And I'm kind of gonna bring it up like here too to give a lifted look. I'm gonna kind of take it from like my ear towards the corner of my mouth. Whee. Okay, here we go. This is it. The baking. It's in the oven. We are preheated. We are ready to go. I'm using two really exciting products. So first is this gorgeous Tom Ford Quad eyeshadow palette. These are the colors we're going to use today. I love designer stuff. I don't own many designer things because, you know, it is what it is. But it's so like, owning like designer beauty, I feel like is a more affordable way to own designer. And it makes you kind of feel a little like extra fancy when you incorporate it into your makeup routine. I feel like, I guess you'll see after this makeup tutorial, just like my makeup feels elevated, I feel elevated, but it's like low-key elevated, like low-key fancy. So the quad comes with these little brushes, and I'm actually gonna use them so I can show you how to work with them. But I'm gonna take this side and I'm just gonna put it into this light color here. And I'm gonna put these on the inner corners of my eye, from here to like the center of my lid. And these are like shimmery, but it's like a subtle shimmer, so it's not like overpowering, and it's not, I don't know, I feel like some people think shimmers are tacky. I don't. I love shimmers. I think they're stunning, especially for the holiday season now. But do you guys see, it's just this subtle shimmer to the shadow. For my eyes in particular too, I'm gonna take the color and bring it like up into my crease and just like, I will feather it up in there. I just sort of had this epiphany the other day that like, I don't have hooded eyes, but I have some kind of eyes where like my crease kind of disappears. So I have to raise the eyeshadow a bit higher than like what I would normally think to do so the color can be seen. Okay, there's one eye. Let me do the other eye. Okay, next I'm gonna take this brown right here, and I'm gonna put this on the outer lid, but also kind of like wing it out a bit. And when I put it on, it kind of looks darker. I'm also using just the back side of this guy. It looks darker right when I apply it, but then once you feather it out, it gets back to like this color. So let me just show you the shape I'm going for. I'm gonna kind of like, I'm gonna fill it all in right there. Okay, now we're looking like a hot mess. We meaning I am. But I'm gonna use the fluffy side now, and I'm just gonna like buff everything out so this doesn't look as dramatic. I'm just kind of diffusing the colors together in the center here. And lastly, I want to define the lash just a bit. I don't know if I should go with this color because it kind of matches like my sweater, or like this darker one to add some contrast. I feel like I want to add some contrast. So what I'm going to do is take their other little brush, a little pointy little doodad right here. And I'm just going to put it on the outer corner of the lash line. I'm not even going to like flick it out or anything. I just kind of want my lash line to look a little fuller and for it to look just a bit smoky. It's so subtle. I think I'll put it on the bottom too, and we'll blend it out. Like these colors are so beautiful. Like these can be like one and done colors too. The darker ones for like nighttime, and then you can, oh my god, I just brushed my actual eyeball. What was I saying? Oh yeah, these are like one and done colors, so you can do the darker ones for nighttime, and then you can do these two lighter ones for the day, but then also add definition if you want. Okay, before I finish the eyes, I'm gonna go on to like the rest of my face. I'm gonna use this Benefit blush. It's this like beautiful peachy, and it smells like shampoo in like the best way possible. I don't really know how to describe the scent, but I just need a little flush on the cheeks. I'm thinking like up on these, up on my cheekbones. That's where I've been putting blush lately. But I don't want something too much because the lip we're about to do is just, it needs to be the showstopper. I don't want the cheeks to take away from it. Okay, next I'm going to bronze up the face a bit. I'm using the NARS bronzing powder in Volupté. Okay, I think it's time we get rid of all this stuff. To finish up the eyes, I'm using this makeup by Mario. It's like a beige liner, and it's a brightening pencil, and I'm gonna use it on the inside of my waterline. To me, again, purple. It's purple in there to me, so you'll see the difference. Let me show you. I just put it in here, and this is really wonderful because it doesn't clump against your eyelashes like, you know, some eyeliners tend to do. It was so cool. I was in a master class with Mario himself. He is such a nice human. Oh my god, I could go on and on. But yeah, do you see the difference? How brighter it looks there, and also kind of brings some more brightness to the eye overall in this look. And then just gonna put some mascara on. It's the Tarte Lights Caramel Lashes, little mini guy. And I'm not adding any highlighter to my eyes or inner corners or brow bone or anything because I really want the focus to be on the shimmer of this eyeshadow. Last but not least is the stunning YSL Rouge Volupté Lip Shine Lipstick Balm. This is what it looks like. The packaging, don't even get me started on the packaging. This just like, obviously it makes me happy. The lipstick itself is a stunning red, which I'll show you in a second, but it has these little gold like flecks in it. So because this is a balm, it's gonna be medium coverage. It's not gonna be like an intimidating, bold, matte red lip that we all know and love. It's gonna just be something that's a little more low key, but still like, it's gonna be bold, it's gonna be exciting, but with a balm texture, so it kind of makes it a little casual. Let me show you what it looks like on. Oh, and also, sorry, I feel like I'm keeping you guys waiting. This has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's really going to moisturize your lips like throughout the day when you wear it, and you'll see the incredible shine of this. I'll show you right now. Okay, let me just, I feel pressure. Okay. See the shine already? It's an extremely light formula, and it glides on so easily, just like a classic balm, and it kind of smells like, how am I supposed to talk about this on? It kind of smells like a mango. Like it smells fruity. I feel so elevated when I wear this, like so put together, especially with my cute little sweater. I feel like I'm all matchy-matchy. Let's put the hair down so we get the full effect of this look. That is it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this fun little holiday luxury high-low fancy little look. This is great. I can't stop smiling. It's so pretty. I can't stop looking in the mirror. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.